Why do 90% of home cooks adore quick desserts? Because they're delicious and easy to make. Hi, I'm Jimmy, and today we're whipping up a chocolate mousse with just 2 ingredients. All right, let's get straight to it. You need just 2 ingredients. Yes, only 2. First up, grab 200 grams of dark chocolate. Now, who doesn't love some rich velvety chocolate? Next, you'll need 300 milliliters of whipped cream. Easy peasy, right? Step 1, melt the chocolate. Break it into pieces and pop it into a heat-proof bowl. You can use the microwave in 30-second bursts, stirring in between, until it's all nice and smooth. Or use a double boiler if you're feeling fancy. Step 2, while the chocolate cools slightly, whip your cream. Make sure it's nice and fluffy, not too stiff, but soft peaks are perfect. You could do this by hand if you're feeling strong, but an electric mixer works wonders. Step 3, gently fold the melted chocolate into the whipped cream. Go slow and steady, folding, not stirring. This keeps the mousse light and airy, and voila, spoon your mousse into serving bowls. Now for the fun part, decorating. You can top it with a dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of cocoa powder, or even some fresh berries for a pop of color. There you have it. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious chocolate mousse. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for popping into my channel. See you next time.